The iPhone 17 Air is generating a lot of excitement among Apple enthusiasts, as various leaks and rumors reveal significant design changes and new features. Based on these rumors, we are expecting some exciting updates for this model, which is expected to replace the iPhone Plus series. One of the most notable aspects is that this will be the first time in years that Apple is introducing a major redesign for its iPhone series. According to Apple's co-op, the iPhone 17 Air could measure just 5 millimeters thick, making it one of the slimmest iPhones ever. This would be an even thinner device than the current iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has a thickness of 8.25 millimeters. The design inspiration for this super slim phone seems to come from the iPad Pro lineup, which already features a slim profile. The iPad Pro 11-inch model, for example, is 5.3 millimeters thick, and the larger 13-inch model is even thinner at 5.1 millimeters. The ultra-thin design is aimed at making the phone lightweight and easy to carry, although it may sacrifice some features for this sleek profile. According to Geeky Gadgets, another exciting upgrade expected in the iPhone 17 Air is the introduction of ProMotion, Apple's 120 Hz refresh rate technology. Previously, ProMotion was exclusive to the Pro models of the iPhone, but this time around, the iPhone 17 series is rumored to finally get this feature. This will allow for smoother scrolling, improved gaming experiences, and more fluid interactions overall. According to McRumors, leaker Ross Young, known for his accurate display-related leaks, suggests that both the regular iPhone 17 and the Air version will sport this advanced display technology. Another bonus that comes with ProMotion is the inclusion of an always-on display, a feature also limited to Pro models in the past. This means users can view basic information like time and notifications without fully waking the device. As for the size of the display, Geeky Gadgets suggests that the Air will feature a slightly smaller screen than its predecessor. Instead of the 6.7-inch display seen in the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 17 Air will reportedly have a 6.55-inch screen. While this may seem like a small reduction, it will contribute to making the phone feel more compact without sacrificing too much screen real estate. The standard iPhone 17, on the other hand, is expected to receive a 6.3-inch display, a slight increase compared to its predecessor. One of the big changes on the back of the iPhone 17 Air is the camera setup. Unlike previous models that offered dual or triple camera systems, the iPhone 17 Air will likely feature just a single camera. This has been speculated by various leakers, including Ice Universe, who mentioned that Apple is focusing on making this phone as light and thin as possible, which is why additional camera modules may not be included. Despite having only one camera, Apple is expected to use its best 48-megapixel wide-angle camera, capable of delivering stunning photos with the ability to zoom digitally. However, users shouldn't expect features like telephoto zoom, which are typically reserved for the Pro models. In terms of the front camera, Apple is finally making a significant upgrade. Geeky Gadgets suggest that the current iPhones feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera, which has been the standard since the iPhone 14 series. However, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to come with a 24-megapixel front-facing camera. This will be the first major update to the front camera in years, and it is expected to improve selfie quality dramatically. The new front camera will also be housed in a slightly smaller dynamic island, giving users more screen space for their content. According to a leak from Geeky Gadgets, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to feature TSMC's next-generation 2-nanometer chips, promising a significant boost in performance and efficiency. These cutting-edge processors will allow the device to handle heavy tasks with ease, offering faster app launches, smoother gameplay, and seamless multitasking. Despite its thinner design, The new model is rumored to have a battery life on par with the iPhone 16 Plus, thanks to its energy-efficient components and optimized software. According to a leak from techdroider, the iPhone 17 Air, or possibly the iPhone 17 Slim, could have a starting price of around $1,300. However, this price should be taken with caution, as it would position the device higher than the current top-tier iPhone, while other leaks suggest it could sit in the mid-range. As for the other models, predictions based on the pricing of the iPhone 16 lineup suggest that the standard iPhone 17 could start at $800, with similar increases across the Plus, Pro, and Pro Max versions. Regarding the release, it's anticipated that Apple will announce the device in early September 2025, though the exact day remains uncertain due to Apple's recent deviation from its usual launch pattern. Will you be upgrading to this ultra-slim iPhone when it arrives, or will you stick with the Pro models for their additional features? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Apple news.